It's been heavy at times today. Oh, what a dreary day, right? When it's not raining, it's cloudy and drizzly, and the heaviest stuff has been into down East Maine as we anticipated. So far, though, no reports of any significant issues. There's ponding on the roadways. There's ponding in some yards as well. But as far as any major flooding, we haven't seen any yet. That's good. There's still more rain to come as this front stretches all the way down into Florida. A really efficient transport, I would say, of moisture, and that's why we were looking at all this rain for so long. Again tonight, again the first half of tomorrow, and then we start to improve. So the heavy stuff hugs the coast here through tonight, through early tomorrow morning. We start changing over into the foothills and mountains to some snow. I don't think there's a ton of that going on, though, as far as accumulation goes. By tomorrow morning, it's raining, I think, still a little bit over southern coastal Maine, more so the mid-coast and down east Maine. That rain continues through the middle of the day, and then they change over at the very end over northern Maine and down east Maine to some snow. Quick coating is possible. I don't think there's a lot of snow there because temperatures are in the upper 30s, and then we're in good shape for the weekend. In fact, Saturday looks better than it did a day or two ago, so now I think the 2 days both look pretty equal. It's a bit breezy on Saturday, which you can't see, but there's a lot of sunshine. Temperatures in the mid and upper 40s, even a couple of low 50s are possible. So as far as additional rainfall yet to go, looking about a ½ inch to an inch along the coastline, still another 2 inches possible into down East Maine. So we'll be watching closely there for flooding concerns because they've had the most and they're going to get the most after this. Okay, so it's a quiet weekend overall. Breezy on Saturday, and then there's a storm Tuesday night, Wednesday, Thursday that looks really interesting to me. Now the question here is going to be precipitation type, and I know that's kind of the whole shebang here, but we really just don't know. If that low sets up out here, so it's about 100 miles east of this position, it will be, no exaggeration, a 2-day snowstorm. So that signal is what I'm watching, and it's a really strong signal. So that's all we really can tell you right now is that's Tuesday night, Wednesday, Thursday. The development of that low is going to be crucial, its position as to what we're dealing with here. But it's not going to be quiet mid next week, let's put it that way. So we'll deal with that. That could, if everything plays out, set us up for a decent eclipse. I know Zach wants to talk more about that, where we have synoptically large scale a decent pattern in place. Now, what we can't get down to 10 days in advance is do we have some mid-level clouds around, but at this time it does not look like there will be a storm over Maine during that time period, which is a start. It's a good start.
Yeah, if anyone was paying attention to the title there, I think we've had enough of the Now albums.
Oh yeah,
we don't need another.
That was
76.
They were like quadruple platinum though, because it was before you could just set up your own playlist.
I'm sorry. On a more serious note, if that storm is not snow for 2 days, will it be rain for 2 days?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think snow would be the bigger impact because of its position.
Now that's what I call a storm.
Thank you.
Thanks, Keith.